Hi, our project is automatic multimodal question and answering for video lectures. So we have taken videos from the Coursera website, particularly the machine learning course. Here in this course we have multiple videos, and this is our system where student can ask a question related to that course. So the answer video
As you
is
can see,
generated.
machine learning is a top skills in the jobs that involves AI skills. Machine learning consists of different types of learning, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement. Machine learning and software engineering. So machine learning extends the statistical learning. Some few examples of machine learning tasks. It focuses on learning algorithm and building models.
So we can ask different types of questions.
In this video, we're going to talk about linear regression. So this type of model, whether we have many variables or linear regression, and we'll talk about how this model get optimized to get the best estimate value. And linear regression has parameters. And that's it for the simple